welcome back to BritishBrickSpeed. Yes, I know the channel's normally about Speed Champions cars and proper motorsport, but today's set is technically Speed Champions and it says so on the box. And it is also definitively a Disney Pixar character, so we are going there. Set 77255, Lightning McQueen, get the tea on. A quick bit of background. The original Cars film came out in 2006. That's 20 years ago. 20 years. I genuinely had to sit down when I worked that out. The film follows Lightning McQueen, voiced by Owen Wilson, a hotshot rookie race car who gets stranded in a tiny desert town called Radiator Springs and learns over the course of 2 hours to be slightly less of a tool. It is, depending on who you ask, either Pixar's most divisive film or, and this is my view, a quietly brilliant love letter to the American Route 66 culture, wrapped in a kid's film about a sentient stock car. This is the 20th anniversary tribute. 270 pieces, 9 plus age rating, £22.99. That model itself is 14 centimetres long, 7 wide and just over 4 centimetres high, so a touch shorter than most Speed Champions cars, which makes sense because Lightning McQueen is proportionally a slightly more cartoonish, scrunched up stock car shape than a real-world racer. 2 numbered bags, an instruction booklet and a small sticker sheet. The box art has Lightning McQueen looking out at you with his big eyes on the screen, which, yes, those eyes are part of the build. We'll get there. The build time's about 45 minutes, usual for a Speed Champions car, and bag 1 is the chassis and the lower body, bag 2 finishes the upper body, the spoiler, the wheels, and critically those headlight eye stickers. Here's the thing that genuinely surprised me about this build. LEGO have given Lightning McQueen a properly detailed undercarriage. Now normally a Speed Champions car, the underside is a flat plate. Done, move on. But because Lightning McQueen in the films has actual character and personality on every surface, including underneath, where you see it during the racing sequences, LEGO have built an actual textured undercarriage with exhaust pipes, transmission detail, and a little bit of suspension geometry. It's the first Speed Champions model to do this, and it's brilliant. The build itself is mostly about getting that distinctive, rounded, chunky stock car shape right. The bonnet curves down, the roof is low, the rear quarter panels flare out. They have nailed it. Right, the eyes. This was always going to be the make or break detail. In the films, Lightning McQueen's eyes are on the windscreen, not the headlights. The windscreen, and they are huge, expressive, and central to the entire visual identity of the character. LEGO have done these as stickers, big, bold, properly Pixar faithful stickers, applied to a clear windscreen piece. And they look, and I'll be honest, I was skeptical going in, they look genuinely brilliant. The proportions are right, the expression is right, and once they're on the car, the whole thing transforms from red LEGO Racer to, that is unmistakably Lightning McQueen. Apply them carefully, take your time. This is the one sticker job in the whole set you absolutely cannot mess up. Brew nearby, steady hand, line up the centres before you commit. Lightning McQueen's livery is iconic. Red body, yellow lightning bolt down the side, the number 95 on the doors, Rust Eze sponsor branding, and the Lightyear logo on the tyres. And all that is here. The lightning bolt is a sticker. The 95 is a sticker. The Rust Eze logo is, of course, a sticker. Yes, lots of stickers. But the alternative would be LEGO printing custom tiles for a 20th anniversary set that may not be reissued, and stickers it is. The Lightyear print on the tyres is a sweet little detail and a clever Pixar in-joke, given Lightyear is also a Pixar character from another film entirely. Pixar's universe is, when you stop to think about it, a very strange place, but wonderful. Right, an important note, there is no minifigure in this set, and that is correct because Lightning McQueen is the character. He's a sentient race car. You cannot put a minifigure in him without raising some quite uncomfortable questions about what's been going on inside Lightning McQueen's whole time. So instead of a figure, The focus is entirely on the car, which, given the eyes do all the personality work, is exactly right. On the wall, this thing has presence. The red is properly vivid, the eyes look out at you, and the lightning bolt catches the light. And crucially, if you pick it up and look underneath, that detailed undercarriage gives it a level of craft you don't normally get at this price point. It's also, and this is the secret weapon, the only Speed Champions car that the kids in your house will be genuinely, urgently demanding to play with, like mine. The Motorsport ones are display pieces. This one is a toy, and it works as both. It rolls beautifully, looks at you while it rolls, which is mildly unnerving, compatible with literally any other Cars-themed Lego or Duplo set you might have lying around. And because there's no driver figure to keep track of, you can't lose any bits. So, at £22.99 for 270 pieces, at about 8.5p per piece, which is standard Speed Champions money, you're paying a small premium for the Disney Pixar licensing, but you're getting a 20th anniversary commemorative model of one of the most recognisable animated car characters of the 21st century. Fair shout. If you've got kids, like I do, who love cars, this is an automatic buy. If you're a nostalgic adult who saw the film in the cinema in 2006 and now suddenly feels very old, and also automatic buy. 8.5 bricks out of 10, brilliant likeness, surprising undercarriage detail, the eyes work better than they have any right to, and at this price it's hard to argue with. It loses half a point for sticker dependence, and half a point because, let's be honest, it's a smaller build than most Speed Champion sets at this price. But honestly, ka-chow! That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this slightly off-piste episode, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more British Brick Speed, and tell me down in the comments. Cars 1, Cars 2, Cars 3, something else. Don't all shout at once. Right. Kettle. Cheerio.